Are you tired of cleaning out your gutters or worried about clogs and overflow damaging your home? If you're looking for a long-term solution that actually works, you're watching the right video. Hi, my name's Jason Wood, owner of GutterGuard Experts. I've been in the GutterGuard industry for over 20 years and spent my first 10 years personally installing many of the most popular gutter guards in America today. And the two biggest problems that I consistently found with most gutter guards is either they weren't designed well or just not built to last. This would lead systems to eventually warping, clogging, rusting, or just failing under real conditions, ultimately leaving homeowners frustrated and unprotected. And I remember thinking, there's gotta be a better design. And a design that's not just another version of something that already exists, but a complete rethinking of how a gutter guard should work. And so that set me on a journey. 3 years, 7 prototypes, engineers on multiple continents, thousands of hours of real-world testing, all leading to one breakthrough, the 2.0 Pro. Our patented next-generation gutter guard engineered for maximum strength, performance, and durability. But even then, we didn't stop because we believe great products don't just stay the same, but they evolve. And so since finalizing the 2.0 Pro, we've identified 3 additional refinements, each one making the system even stronger, more efficient, and more durable. So you might be asking yourself, what makes the 2.0 Pro different than all the other gutter guards that are out there? Well, it really comes down to 4 core design elements, engineered to work together to deliver the most highly effective gutter guard that's ever been developed. And like any great product that actually works, it starts with a solid foundation. And so design element number 1 is the foundation. It's the backbone that everything else is built on, and that's the frame itself. Most gutter guards out there are so cheaply made, either using thin metals or cheap plastics, which eventually warp, deteriorate, and break down over time. The 2.0 Pro is different. It's constructed using precision-engineered, aircraft-grade extruded aluminum. This is the same class of material that's trusted in everything from Apple products in defense satellites to aviation and aerospace. It has a tensile strength of over 20,000 pounds per square inch, which simply means this: the 2.0 Pro will never warp, sag, or rust. It's been engineered to hold its shape and its performance season after season and decade after decade. Now, a strong frame alone is not what keeps your gutters clog-free. What really matters is what sits on top of it, which brings us to design element number 2, which is our engineered surgical stainless steel microfilter. And this is where most companies get it wrong. Most other systems use just an off-the-shelf mesh because it's cheap, available, and easy to source. We didn't do that. We engineered our own. With the 2.0 Pro, we tested dozens of different mesh sizes, and we scrutinized over everything from the wire diameter to the opening size to the weave pattern, all to answer a single question. What is the smallest opening that we can achieve that still allows water flow? The answer? 400 microns, roughly the diameter of a few human hairs. So small, it's able to keep out pine needles, locust leaves, even something as fine as shingle sand. With the 2.0 Pro, we used to think that the difference was our design. What we've come to find out is that the difference is in the details, even the microns. So this isn't just another screen. This is a precision-engineered filtration system for your entire home. Now, keeping out debris is just one half of the equation. The other half of the equation is being able to capture and control rainwater, which brings us to design element number 3, which is our patented triple rib design. Most gutter guards out there, they struggle with one critical job: capturing water. Instead of channeling water into the gutter, water overshoots the gutter, especially in a heavy downpour, resulting in overflow and water runoff where it was never designed to go, near your home's foundation. The 2.0 Pro was literally designed to do the opposite. Our patented triple rib design creates microchannels that actually pulls water into the gutter. Think of these 3 ribs like 3 speed bumps, each one slowing the water down, breaking the surface tension, and directing water downward. And it's not just the ribs. Every shape, curve, and contour of the 2.0 Pro has been optimized to be able to capture water, from a light rain to a heavy downpour, which simply means more water collected, less overflow, and more peace of mind. Now, once you've been able to capture the water properly, the final piece of the puzzle is discouraging debris from building up on the screen over time, which brings us to design element number 4, which is our angled installation. Most gutter guards out there install flat inside of the gutter. A flat installation acts like a shelf for debris to build up on. When debris builds up, water can't get in properly, resulting in clogging, overflow, and constant maintenance. The 2.0 Pro was designed to be installed at an angle, which encourages debris to fall off with as little as 10 to 15 miles an hour of wind, which simply means less buildup, less maintenance, and better performance season after season. So when a product's been engineered to be able to hold its shape, keep out debris, capture water, and reduce maintenance, backing it with a lifetime warranty is not a risk, it's a responsibility. That's why the 2.0 Pro comes with an industry-leading triple lifetime warranty, which covers the product, installation, and clog-free performance. Because when you build something right, you stand behind it. Now you might be asking the question, will this work with the gutters I already have? And the answer is yes. The 2.0 Pro has been engineered to retrofit right onto your existing gutters or fit beautifully on new ones, both without roof penetration or requiring complete gutter replacement. Now, when we're installing on your existing gutters, we don't just cover up the old problems. That's why every 2.0 Pro installation comes with a complete gutter tune-up, which includes cleaning, aligning, sealing, and securing your gutters. Only then do we install the 2.0 Pro so it performs exactly the way it was engineered to. Because with gutter protection, the product is so important, but just as important is the installation. At the end of the day, the purpose of a gutter guard is very simple. Protect your home, reduce maintenance, and give you peace of mind. The 2.0 Pro does exactly that with a level of quality and engineering that no other gutter guard has matched. That's why we didn't design the 2.0 Pro to be just another option. We designed it to be the last gutter guard that you would ever have to buy, and we would love the opportunity to show you how it can work for your home.